Okay. Good morning again, grade 9. Upon checking on the previous activity, which is climate concept, yes, two attempted. And again, we need to move forward simply because your next, hang on for a minute, just give me a minute. Okay, let's continue. Again, upon checking on the previous activity, it had only two attempts, and I know Margie is a having the module or answering the module right now, right? Margie, you're in blended learning. So what I want you to do now, grade 9, are you still with me, Margie and MD? Margie and MD?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I want you to do now is I want you to do activity number 5, which is performance tasks. So, Margie, you are now included in the performance tasks. You can submit um, with a paper, or shall we say a hard copy, or you can actually do online here in the LMS. Margie? Okay. So in your report, still
Sir.
previous activities, okay?
Yes, sir.
Instructions are in a one short size bond paper, create a report sheet in connection to the topic, same format as follows, Arial 12, and all of those.
Sir,
Yes.
can
And
you explain again the one, sir, the introduction,
but let me view it.
the one, sir, ba? Yeah.
The format itself.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So in your report sheet, you can see climate, right? Introduction to climate. So what is climate all about? How this climate actually correspond to particular weather conditions and all of those contents. In the contents, this is
The
based
discussion, sir, right?
discussions. Yes, what are the different climates? Okay, and um, how do these climates also gives impact to a change, a particular change. Like for example, the question is uh, why is it that the climate in the equatorial line is different from the climate in the northern part and the southern part and all of those. So those are under contents. Problems arising climate. Number one is climate change. Like for example, climate change. So how
Like the causes, sir.
affect us
Yes.
or the effects, right? Those are problems, climate change. Next is conclusion recommendation. For the conclusion and recommendation, this would be what could be the answer, what could be the possible solution to the particular problem. Actually, if you're going to analyze it, problems and conclusion goes hand in hand. And introduction and content also goes hand in hand.
Sir,
Yes.
the conclusion and recommendations are just like the preventions.
Oh, yes. It could be. How can we prevent? Or what could be the solution? Or,
Okay, sir, got it.
yes. So in that certain way, you can actually analyze and internalize the topic, right? This is just
Yes.
a matter of summary. You're just like summarizing all the concepts behind the actual module. So you can
Okay, sir.
do any
Okay,
strategy
sir.
that you want. You can do any strategy. Like for example, you want it to have a documentary type, it's okay. Or if you want it a comparative type, there are a lot of ways on how to do it. Okay, documentary type, comparative, what else?
Excuse me, sir. Is this the activity 5?
Yes, activity 5, Margie. You're included now in activity 5. It could be you can answer in module or in paper or hard copy, or you can answer it through here. You know, I actually prepared a Dropbox for this. So you are actually sending me the actual file, same as before. You upload your activity or your file in the LMS. Again, there are a lot of ways on how to do it. It could be documentary, it could be comparative, it could be also in an essay format. There are a lot of ways, right? It's up to you. I'm leaving it to you. As long as you are actually giving me the correct introduction, content, the problems, and the solution or recommendation of the particular problem. This is just a way of internalizing or summarizing the concept behind the module 2, right? Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay. I think that will be all for today. Again, I'm expecting answers from MD and Margie, from you, two of you, till the end of the day. If there are some problems, please let me know. If you want an extension, just let me know. Right? I will definitely understand.
Okay, sir.
Right? Just try. No, I know that this is really hard for you. Same as me before when I was still in your feet. But in in trying, when you keep on trying, you're actually developing something out of it. And that is not actually a gain for me, that is actually a gain for you. That is for you. Without you knowing it, you are developing now the skills. But you need to keep on trying. Okay? You have potentials, man, MD and Margie. So I've seen some potentials from you. So you need to develop your potentials, right?
Yes, sir.
At the back of your mind, you might thinking na isudag na ni Sir MJ kay daghan bag kuan niya
Yes, sir.
daghan niya ay. But that is one way for you to develop your skills, to tell you honestly. Okay? And I want you to
Yes,
take
sir.
something out of our simple discussions, out of our modules, even though this is online. Right?
Yes, sir.
Alright. I think that'll be all for today, class. Do you have any question as of the moment?
No, sir.
I think that'll be all for today, class. Thank you for your participation, MD and Margie. And hopefully I can get answers from you at the end of the day. Just let me know if there are some
Sure,
problems.
sir.
Okay. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.